Super spacious living area over here. Very premium looking kitchen over here. A pretty big and very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Co-Evolve Florenza, which is located at Itanguru Road. Well, you know we are here for the sample flat tour. Well, we shall dive into every corner of the flat and look into what makes this home your dream house, and also look into every minute details to see what makes this house even more special. Well, before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers and developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. And not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by the builders. There is no broker who is involved. Well, that was about Housey. I cannot wait to take you to a sample flats. Let's go and check out our super luxurious flats. Come. Okay, so now let's talk about the project overview of this beautiful Co-Evolve Florenza. Well, this particular property is located in Itanguru Road. Also, this particular property consists of 4.5 acres of land parcel with 4 towers consisting of 2 ground plus 12 floors, variants being 2 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of this luxurious project is with, it's just 5 minutes away from the Forum Mall, 15 minutes away from Whitefield and 45 minutes away from the outer ring road. So now let's talk about the amenities, my favorite part because you get such ultra luxurious amenities. Well, this particular property consists of super beautiful clubhouses, swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen garden, multi-purpose court, sand volleyball court and so on. Okay, so now we have finally reached our 3 BHK sample flat. Let's go and check out our luxurious flat. Come on in. Well, we have this foyer area. That's our entrance of this luxurious flat. As in how we enter, we have this super spacious living area over here. As you can see, we have TV unit towards my right hand side. And towards my left hand side, you can use this area for your furniture. And when we step ahead, we see dining area over here. Well, here we can see there is a 4-seater dining table accommodated, but you can also place 6 or 8-seater. We have enough space here for our dining area. Also, we have storage spaces over here. And let me remind you that this is just an example of the decoration. You can completely customize it according to your choice and your taste. So right next to our dining area, we have this super big, super spacious balcony, which will give you a lot of good light, ventilation to your living area. We have this beautiful scenic view over here, and also you get a lot of sunlight, and you have this big glass doors which will make it look very aesthetic to your living area. Okay, so now let's go to our kitchen, which is towards this end of the house. Well, we have this super stylish, sleek and very premium looking kitchen over here. As you can see, we have a very big and spacious kitchen which has a lot of storage spaces above and below. Also, we have this area over here which you can use as your utility. We have sink, an additional sink, and also a lot of storage spaces here. And let me show you, we even have this area when we enter the kitchen for again your storage purpose. So we have a pretty big spacious kitchen. Okay, so now let's go and check out our super luxurious rooms. Well, before that, I want to show you a common washroom. So here we have a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and we have this good window for good light and ventilation. Now let's check out our room number 1. Well, this room can be used as your guest room. As you can see, we have a lot of space to move around the bed. It is a pretty spacious room. Also, we have this big closet cupboard for your storage. And towards my left hand side, you can see we have this big window. I'm not able to remove this, but we have a big window behind this which gives you good light and ventilation. And in this end, you can see we have this beautiful mirror which you can use it as your dressing area. So this is our room number 1, very cute, pretty and spacious. Well, as in how we step ahead, we have another room towards this end. Well, this is basically a kids room. Well, if you have kids at your house, you can use this as your kids room. If not, you can customize it according to the members of your family. It's completely okay. So this is our kids room. As you can see, very beautifully made. I love the color coordinations, which is the way it's designed. And this end we have beautiful closet and a very cute study for the kids. And towards my right hand side, you can see we have this big huge window which gives good light and ventilation to this beautiful room. Also, this particular room has an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. So we have an attached washroom here for the kids room. So this was about the kids room. Now let's go and check out the most beautiful and luxurious room of this house, which is the master bedroom. But before we get into the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. So don't wait and go book your free site visit now. Now let's go and check out our master bedroom. Come on. So this is our master bedroom of our luxurious flat. As you can see, we have a pretty big and very spacious master bedroom. We have a lot of space for our cot and also a lot of space to walk around. We have a big window for good light and ventilation. And towards my right hand side, you can see there is this table which can be used for your study, for your work. So we have this space here in this particular master bedroom. And towards the back, that's here, we have this beautiful closet which is looks really aesthetic. And we have a big mirror here which can be used as your dressing area. And we also have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and a window for good light and ventilation. So yes, this was your master bedroom. Okay guys, so this was our 3 BHK sample flat tour at Co-Evolve Florenza, which is located at Itanguru Road, Sarjapur. If you want to download e-brochure for this particular project, you can do that by clicking on the link given in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the location, the builders, the project, you can let us know by dropping it on the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative and amazing videos. Well, that was it for today. I'll see you next time with yet another amazing home tour, flat tour. Till then, take care and goodbye.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Co-Evolve Florenza, located in Itangura Road by Co-Evolve.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.